All right, my beautiful friends. We have to talk. Yeah, it's still Monday. What's the date? July 29th, 2019. Okay. I want to put a few things together here, and let's see if we could kind of put this all together. Closing bell went off like 15 seconds ago. Stocks did nothing. Bonds did nothing. Crypto did nothing. Gold did nothing. Silver did nothing. Pretty much it was a 0 day. Now let me ask you, if markets were not completely being driven by what comes out of the mouths of central banks, well then why would the market be in a holding pattern right now? Do earnings matter? No. Do PE ratios matter? No. Does forward guidance matter? No. Does economic data matter? No. It's all about, well, in this case, the Federal Reserve. It's incredible. No one thinks about these things. You know, this market is supposed to be real. It's supposed to be driven by what's happening in the economy, by PE ratios, by earnings, all this stuff. No, not today. This is a whole new animal. This is incredible, really is. In my entire life, I never would have imagined we would see things as bad as they are now. They were bad under the last puppet that sat in the White House. This puppet is really playing into the military-industrial complex to the highest order, feeding into world central banks, our Federal Reserve, asking for a big cut. I almost fell over. I mean, the president... He's been to say the least, and I agree, I think most of you would agree here, has become not public enemy number one, but puppet enemy number one. And again, I'm a Republican, I supported this guy, but the fact that he is doing everything in his power to make the Federal Reserve the absolute most invincible, unstoppable organization on the planet, it cannot be denied. That's the truth. Calling for rate cuts, calling for a weak dollar. This empowers the Federal Reserve. It doesn't make them weaker. There are so many people that live in a distorted reality that believe that by central banks issuing more debt, that is their product, they become weaker. No, they become monumentally and exponentially stronger. And I've said the Federal Reserve is stronger than the entire United States military arsenal, including its nuclear capabilities, with regard to its potential to wreak havoc on the world. And that's what it's going to do moving forward. I find it vile, revolting, and disgusting that leaders of developed nations have allowed their world central banks to take over. They're running the entire show. And understand, this has been a mechanism that has been going on literally since time immemorial for decades. It's the real plan. There's no other plan. This is it. So again, today's price action in the markets, and every single asset you can think about, how it's hinging on what's going to happen on Wednesday. We can't get any price movement at all. I entered 2 trades today, using my new trading system, which will be out soon for free for all of you. I had 2 trades today, both successful. Did okay today. I'm happy about that. But there was really no price movement in this market. And it's all just, what's the Fed going to do? What are they going to do? What are they going to do? I mean, it's already priced in, so it's probably going to be a sell the news moment. Be ready and willing, and I hope able, to capitalize in this, my lions out here. I sincerely wish I had my new trading system available for you. I don't yet. It will be soon. But just don't let this opportunity pass you by. That's what's coming down the pike here, and that's what really this is all about. It's not, whatever. Learn how to make this twisted, freaky system work for you. That's really what it's all about. And, it goes back to the core. Bet against the debt, become your own central bank, understand what world central banks are going to do, hold a hard asset, period, the end. But if you're a lion or a wannabe lion, this is the gift of gifts on top of gifts. It really is. I don't know what else to say about it. It's off the freaking Richter scale. Stupid. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. But it's unbelievable. Look, like I said a few days ago, if you can't make money in this market, you need to find another way to make money. It's almost impossible to lose. Let's put it that way. At least now. And again, you don't keep your money in here. You sweep your account. That's what I do. Anyway, that's a whole other story. Bottom line, this market is in wait-and-see mode. Flatline for the day. Who knows what will happen tomorrow? It might be flatline tomorrow. And we didn't get any news on the China trade talks, which apparently, I guess they're going well. Our president is going to tell us very soon. They're going well. Stupendous. Monumental. Tremendous. You remember all these words? These were his words. Oh, you can't make it up if you tried. This is a freak show. And I mean freak show. With that said, my lovely non-freaky people, maybe you're a little freaky. I mean, I'm a little freaky. You got to be freaky. You know you got to be freaky in this world. If you're not freaky, you're pretty freaky. This guy loves you. I will see you in the morning, and it's going to be lovely.